Hi, Bubba. What you doing over there? Are you on your tummy? Are you on your tummy? Are you watching Bonnie? There's Bonnie. You gonna roll over for us? You just did it. What do you think? What do you think? Hi. Come on, you know what to do. He's thinking about it. Woo! Yay! Good job! What'd you think? Now you're just gonna lay there and watch TV? Oh, this is the second time. Although Grandma saw him do it a couple times last week. We don't believe that.